Pause the video and have a go at expanding the brackets for each of the following. Then restart the video where I will go through the solutions step by step. We can see we have 2 here, and in this region there is no sign. Now this implies multiplication. Consequently, this 2 will multiply the contents of the brackets. 2 will multiply this a to give 2a. We can further say now that the 2 will multiply the 4b, and this will give 8b. And then we can say that the 2 will multiply the c, and this will give 2c. If you look in front of the 2 here, there is no sign, which implies that it is positive. And this positive times this positive will give a positive. And if we then consider the positive again and look at this positive, a positive times a positive is a positive, so we will get a positive here. Consequently, we can see that this expands to this, and this is frequently referred to as removing brackets. Well, the first thing we need to do is to say, well, we got 3 here, and there's no sign in this area. This implies multiplication. Consequently, this 3 multiplies the contents of the brackets, and we can see that the 3 will multiply the x to give 3x. But now we must note the fact that this is minus 3. And if we look here, there's no sign, which implies this is positive. And a minus times a positive is a minus, so we place a minus here. Carrying on, we now can say the 3 will multiply the y, and that will give us 3y. And of course, we now need to consider the negative again, and this positive, and this will give us a negative here. Consequently, we can see that this expands to this. It is important that we realize that this is minus 3. This will ensure we get the correct signs in the answer.